Right, so I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage on your OnePlus 15. So if you go into the gallery, you can find a couple of photos you might want to create a collage with. So what you need to do is simply select the photos. So for instance, a long press on one, then I can go and select a couple of photos. So I've selected 6. Then if I tap on collage, it creates a collage. Okay, so there are different layouts for this collage, so you can go and experiment with different layouts like that, and then once you arrive at the one you like, then you can tap on save, and that is going to be saved as a photo collage just like that. It's really that simple. Now of course you can go into the editor and also edit a few things in that photo collage, but that's basically how to create a photo collage using your OnePlus 15 gallery app. Thanks for watching. Good luck.